This is a short tutorial showing you how to quickly install your new Lumenera microscopy camera on a computer running Windows XP. There are two stages to set up your camera: installing the Infinity software and installing the camera hardware drivers. After you complete these two stages, your camera will be ready to use. If you have any problems during the installation, skip to the end of the video for a link to our troubleshooting guide. Before you begin, first make sure you have your camera and the USB cable it came with. If you have an Infinity 3.1 or an Infinity 4.11 camera, make sure you also have a power cable. Make sure your camera is unplugged. You'll plug the camera in later on. And finally, make sure you're logged in as a user with administrator privileges. Administrators are allowed to install new programs on a computer. If you are unsure if you have administrator privileges, ask your organization's IT person. Let's get started. If you have an installation CD, you can insert it into your computer and skip ahead in this video. If you don't have an installation CD, you'll have to download the camera software from Lumenera's Microscopy Camera Downloads webpage. Open an internet browser and type www.luminara.com. Go to Support, Microscopy, then select Drivers/Software Downloads. Look for the Infinity software package. Nearly all microscopy cameras use this software package, except for Infinity HD cameras. Infinity HD cameras use Infinity HD software. Right-click Infinity software and select Save Target As. Some internet browsers may say Save Link As or Save Linked Content As instead. Choose where to save the file. We're saving it to the desktop so it will be easy to find. Now close the internet browser and any other open programs to make the installation go faster. Double-click Infinity software. Select Run. Let's get going. This screen reminds you to make sure you're logged in with administrator privileges and that the camera is unplugged. This screen is the license agreement. Review the agreement. Select I accept the terms of the license agreement, and continue. This screen asks you to confirm the installation. A dialog pops up to install the software drivers. A dialog might come up telling you that Microsoft has not signed the drivers. This is a standard dialog for third-party installations, so continue anyway. Finish the driver installation. At this point, you can choose to view the Capture User's Manual or the Analyze Quick Start Guide. In case you don't want to look at these documents now, we will tell you where to find them later. Now you need to make sure that your computer recognizes the camera hardware. Plug your camera into the computer with the USB cable now. If you have an Infinity 3.1 or Infinity 4.11 camera, you will have to plug in the power cable as well. A dialog tells you that the computer has detected the camera. Select Install the software automatically. The same standard dialog as before comes up. Finish. The hardware driver wizard must run a second time. When the hardware driver wizard comes up, continue and do not click cancel. Check that the light near your camera's USB port is turned on. Now your computer should recognize your camera anytime you plug it into this USB port. If you want to use another USB port on your computer, plug the camera into that port and repeat the hardware installation screens. And there you have it. Your camera is now ready to use. You can find the camera software in the Start menu under All Programs, Lumenera, Infinity. The Infinity package includes Infinity Capture and Infinity Analyze. Infinity Capture is for simple image and video capturing. Infinity Analyze is for more advanced tasks, such as adding notes and measurements to images. Most new microscopy cameras work with Analyze. You can also find here quick start guides and user's manuals for both programs. Thanks for watching. You can find links here to the microscopy downloads page and to the troubleshooting guide. Be sure to check out our other videos for more help.